TCS on sale of goods with effect from 1st October 2020. Applicability and compliance procedures. TCS on sale of goods charged under Section 206C subsection 1H of Income Tax Act. TCS is required to be collected by a seller on consideration received from buyer for sale of any goods. Applicability. TCS on sale of goods applicable to those entities who satisfies the following two criteria. First criteria, turnover in immediately preceding financial year exceeds 10 crores. And next criteria will be consideration received from the buyer exceeds 50 lakhs rupees during the financial year. When to collect TCS? Seller need to collect tax if and only when both the applicability conditions are met. Tax collection shall be made at the time of receipt of consideration or receipt of advance. Rate of TCS. TCS on sale of goods is not applicable in following cases. On import or export of goods, sale made to central government, state government, embassy, buyer is liable to deduct TDS, goods already covered under other provisions of section 206C. Whether GST and freight included in consideration. A clarification from CBDT on this matter is highly desirable. However, till the clarification by CBDT, it will be more appropriate that the TCS should be collected on the sale value including GST. Adjustment for sales return for TCS. In case of sales return, credit or debit note may be issued, which will be ultimately reduce the amount receivable by the seller from the buyer. Thus, TCS shall be collected on the net amount collected from the buyer. However, if the sales return happens after the receipt of consideration and furnishing of TCS statement, the only option left to the seller is to file correction statement and adjust the same with any subsequent TCS liability. In case an invoice issued prior to 1st October 2020 and consideration received on or after 1st October 2020, TCS shall be collected on such amount if it met applicability criteria.